task children are asked to do to help them understand place value is to use digit cards and rearrange the cards to make either the biggest or the smallest number they can. Here we've been asked to make the biggest 3-digit number possible using the digit cards 4, 6 and 2. To make the biggest number, we find the digit with the highest value. And here that's 6. So we move the highest value digit into the highest value place column, which is 100. Now we look for the next biggest digit, and that's 4, and we put that into the next biggest place value column. So that becomes 4 tens. And then the digit we have left is the smallest value, and that goes into the ones, which is the smallest place value column we have. The biggest number we can make with those 3-digit cards is 642. Here's a similar one for you to try. What's the biggest number you can make using the digits 2, 5 and 1? Pause the video, have a go. Starting with the digit that has the highest value, and that's 5, and that will go into the highest place value column, 500. The next biggest digit is 2, so that will go into the next biggest place value column, which is 10. And finally, the 1 will go in the ones. And the biggest number we can make with those digits is 521. You could also be asked to make the smallest number. This just works the other way round. We start with the smallest value digit and we put that in the highest placed value column. So we have 300 and something. Because we're finding the smallest number, we find the next smallest value digit, and that's 5. And that goes into the tens, and then the 7 remaining, which is the highest value digit, will go into the lowest place value column. The smallest number we could make with those 3 digits is 357. And again, here's one that you can try. What's the smallest number you can make with the digits 8, 2 and 1? Pause the video, have a go. We need the smallest value digit in the highest place value column, so the 1 will go in the hundreds. Now we need the next smallest value digit to go in the tens column, so the 2 will go in the tens, and finally the highest digit is 8, so that will go in the ones. The smallest number we could make with those 3 digits is 128. Making the smallest number can be a little bit confusing when you have a 0 in there, because you could make a number that has just 2 digits in it rather than 3. For example, if I have the digits 4, 0 and 2, if I want to make the smallest possible number, I can put the 0 in the hundreds. I have no hundreds. The next smallest digit is the 2, and I'll put that in the tens, and I'm left with the 4, the highest value digit, and that goes in the ones. Because there's nothing in the hundreds, I have the number 24. So even though there are 3-digit cards, you can sometimes make a 2-digit number. Here's a similar one for you to try. What's the smallest number you can make with the digits 8, 0 and 7? Pause the video, have a go. Starting with the smallest value, the 0, in the hundreds, so we have no hundreds. The next smallest digit is 7, that's going in the tens, and then the highest value digit is 8, that will go in the ones. Again, even though we have 3 digits, we've made a 2-digit number, 78. If you want to find more of my Maths YouTube videos quickly and easily, visit my website, click on the link for math videos at the top of the home page, scroll down for the section of maths you need, then click on the link for that playlist.